when I addressed it, in my own way, trying to acknowledge what exactly the people had, were talking about, and getting to a place of acknowledgement of their progress. You find all sorts of people say all sorts of things, but 95% of the people will appreciate what you said because they have real struggles.
Sheikh, I heard that lecture, and what I heard,
Allahu Akbar.
What I heard was this. What I heard from you, you're trying to say to our sisters. Sisters, now I'm paraphrasing and understanding what you're trying to say.
What you understood from what I said.
Yes, exactly. Being born in the West, obviously I studied overseas and East and West, understanding what's happening in the da'wah field and how sisters are being approached about their deen and their covering and all of that. What I heard Mufti Menk saying is, sisters, hijab is fard. We all know that. And I know that you love the Quran and you want to follow Islam. And that you will hear so many different approaches from different people on the internet. And I know that it's making you move away because the approach of a lot of these men is harsh to you. So I want to take this with wisdom. I want you to work slowly, step by step, and inshallah improve on yourself. As for those who are talking too much, if it's affecting you, don't listen to them. What matters to you is to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So long as Allah is pleased with you, then you think about that and do that.